Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, we got something really cool and useful that I have not reviewed before, and something I've been wanting for such a long time. This is a ultrasonic cleaner, okay? And this can be used for all sorts of things around the house. You know, things like glasses. If you wear braces, you can be done for that. Jewelry, watches, all sorts of good stuff. And these work amazingly well, and I've been depriving myself of one, so I'm so happy I got this to review for you, unbox for you today. This is a 50 kilohertz frequency, and what makes that important is you really want one that has a good, strong frequency. That's going to be what breaks up that, microscopic dirt, dust, debris. It's what's going to make it work and clean your items. Some of them just work off 25 kilohertz, so 50 is awesome. 350 milliliter cleaning interior tank. That's the amount of room here inside, so you can have a pretty big item in there actually, so that's pretty cool. And two settings, two cleaning modes, which is really good too. You can see it does come in a very nice giftable box. Oh, and before I go further, I want to mention I will have a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. My dove is cooing with excitement off camera. She wants her very own ultrasonic cleaner too, but as far as the box goes, very giftable. We have specifications on the side here. This is model number M9B105. It works off 110 volts, so you plug it in the wall kind of thing. Rated frequency is 60 hertz. And then ultrasonic frequency is at 50 kilohertz, okay? Rated power is 24 watts. Now in the back here, we do have a few little cautionary precautions. Warning, number one, don't use the ultrasonic cleaner on electronic devices. Okay, so this is really meant for, glasses, jewelry, things of that nature, things that do not have circuits and batteries, and I wouldn't stick a high definition audio player in here, because it's not meant for electronics, Charging adapter is only for this cleaner. Do not charge other devices like cell phones and appliances, okay? That's really more for your other devices' benefit. Plug out the charging cable after finishing for safety. Plug out the charging cable. Yeah, so unplug the charging cable is what they're trying to say. And only available for special charging and cable adapter. Okay, so again, they're really firm that they want you to use their adapter for this device and not other adapters, or use this adapter onto something else, just to play it safe, and do not use normal cable to plug in. Okay, so again, a lot of things about the cable, and that probably has to do with the ultrasonicness of it. And you guys know I believe in having the right cable for the right device, so I'm all about that. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we're pulling the top off here. We'll check this out together. And it looks like we're greeted with some little instructions. Let's take a look here. Looks like a nice book, man. Color picture, ultrasonic jewelry and eyeglass cleaner. Okay, so again, they're stressing what it's really used for there, but it can be used for other things too. I think I've seen some people use it for like braces, maybe other dental things like dentures or something. But really for me, I'm planning on using it for glasses, or jewelry, okay? And looking at the inside here, we got a bunch of different instructions. Talks about the lid, the plastic housing, power button on the front, and power cord. Shows what's going to be in the box, and shows some basic instructions for use, okay? All right, if you have any question about this, let me know, and I try and respond with a follow-up, okay? All right, also in the package here, looks like we have a little microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. Nicely wrapped, I will say. And there we go. Yeah, so very nice for cleaning. Feels very soft. We'll save that to the side for right now. There we go. And here is the device. Let me go ahead and pull this out. There we go. And I guess the cord is on the inside. Let's pull this out and check it out. Loving the color, very cool blue. It does come in different colors, okay? So if blue's not your thing, I believe there's other colors. Click the link in the description for full details, okay? And oh, that looks great, guys. Look at this. So we have, on the front here, we have two different timers. There's a 7-minute timer, and there's a 5-minute timer, and the power, okay? Loving the blue, looking very cool. Flipping around, we'll take the lid off here. Kind of a smoked lid, which is very nice. Smoked clear plastic, translucent. And on the inside here, it looks like here is our cable. So we have a couple of things in here. First, let me go ahead and take a look at the warning. Warning, let's see here. Do not run the machine without water. Okay, so you have to have water in the tank. Do not run the machine. Basically take a break between every 2 cycles. They don't want you running it nonstop for 24 hours or anything. I mean, it's a powerful device. You want to make sure it has time to, cool down and reset and all that good stuff. And then ensure the water level is higher than 1/2 capacity and the lower than the max line. Okay, so inside here you can kind of see right there is a max line. See that word max? Kind of right where my finger's at, max. Okay, so max in the line. So you want to make sure that we are in compliance with this. So ensure the water level is higher than half capacity and lower than the max line. You don't want to overfill the device, otherwise the ultrasonic will perhaps have water bubbling out or something. We'll see. I am going to live demo this in a few minutes too. So you can see the inside is very clean, looks very good. Nice little tank service and big enough for most things, you know. And we're going to test here my glasses, which it looks like they will fit without the case, obviously. Okay, but very sleek looking. I'm definitely digging the baby blue. We have a nice high gloss buttons here on the front. There's a bottom for you. And this will look great on any nightstand or wherever you decide to put it. You know, very cool for like a desk. On the side here, we do have a hole for the power cable. Now, looking at the other things, there is a small accessory here, and this can be used for like jewelry or something. We'll leave that in there just for right now to show you. And then here is the cord. And again, they did make a big deal about using the exact cord. Now, this particular cord does look like a pretty standard Samsung or Sony cord, but you want to make sure you use the real cord. Okay, you can see this is one of the ones with two-prong, and it is two-prong rounded, okay? But use the right cord. They give you a cord, so use their cord, please, guys. And then it is a standard plug-in-the-wall kind of thing. So this end here, we'll take this off right now. This end here, we're going to plug right in like that, okay? So give it a good, solid, firm plug-in. You can see it's very tight. It's not going to fall out, so very good. And this part here, we're going to go ahead and plug into the wall in a moment. Okay, so I have some ordinary Publix bottled water here. You can use any water. You can use water from the sink if you trust it. I wouldn't go as far as using like Fiji water or something, but just regular supermarket water is fine. And we're going to go ahead and fill the tank, and we're going to fill it to the max line, but not exceeding it. Okay, so we're going to give it a good little fill. In fact, I may go just a tad below because I don't want to overfill. Okay, that looks pretty good. There we go. It's all filled up. So we're going to put the bottled water to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and plug in the unit. Now we're not going to start it yet, but I'm just going to plug this into a normal wall socket. And again, we do have the plug right here plugged into the device, the cord plugged in. So here we go. We're going to plug this in. Okay, upon plugging it in, it gave a quick little beep there. And for my goal here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try and do my glasses. I don't wear glasses all the time. I wear contacts sometimes. And my eyesight's actually gotten better where I don't wear glasses hardly at all. But I do have readers just for fun. So we're going to go ahead and stick these in. And these do get like a little dirty and stuff. Reading before bedtime or something. We're just going to drop those in just like that. Okay, kind of submerge them. And there we go. Looks good. And now we're going to go ahead and we are going to put the top on just like that. There we go. And we're going to do the 5-minute setting. So we're going to hit 5 minutes here with power. And it's on 5 minutes. And you can see one thing, an important takeaway right now, is this is not too loud. Some ultrasonic cleaners are so incredibly loud that it's a situation where it sounds like a jackhammer. It's loud. Like you couldn't do it and go to sleep. But this is quiet enough that you could actually sleep while this is going on. In fact, this might actually be kind of soothing, like white noise, while you're trying to get to sleep. Like every night, put your glasses in here, you know, do it for 5 or 7 minutes, and that will help, you know, basically clean them while you sleep, so in the morning they'll be all ready to go. Now, while this is cleaning, I did want to point out a couple additional benefits here. This particular model, okay, is the new 2025 model with a upgraded dual-core ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, so it's the latest dual-core technology to really clean your items to the best they can be. Okay, it's durable, high-performance construction with a 304 grade stainless steel tank. That's a nice stainless steel tank on the inside, which is really great. And it's really versatile too. You know, it can be used for jewelry. Again, it can be used for all sorts of applications. You know, rings, everything you want. And oh, it just turned off there. Did you hear that? I mean, it's very quiet hum, but it did go for the full 5 minutes, and it just turns off just like that. So very cool stuff. Now the lid itself is very easy to lift. It has a little handle here, so you can easily just pop that open. And inside here you can see here's my glasses, which have now been ultrasonically cleaned, and they look great actually. So very cool stuff. There you go. So very nice. This is a great device, and this can really make it a fantastic gift for somebody too. So even if it's a situation where, you know, maybe it's a husband who doesn't own a lot of jewelry, he's trying to buy something nice for the wife, or a gift for yourself, or maybe buy one for yourself and buy one for someone else as a gift, is a great idea. Someone who has jewelry, watches, glasses, which is, let's face it, pretty much all of us, okay? Makes a fantastic gift. And this is the type of thing which personally, like, I waited on this. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time, and I waited on it. So this is the type of thing which could be an awesome gift where somebody really wants it, but maybe they just don't own one yet, you know. So it's a perfect little thing to give to someone that you love, you know, maybe buy one for yourself, buy one as a gift, etc., etc. But, you know, we all have things we need to clean, and this is so much better than actually using, like, you know, a paper towel or something to clean your glasses or whatever and scratch up the surfaces, you know, and expensive jewelry. You want it looking its best. And everyone knows that ultrasonic cleaning is the best way to do it, you know. And now it's affordable where you can have one of these, you know, and I will have the very best price for this unit right down below too. But these used to cost hundreds of dollars, and now they're way low, below the $50 range. So it's excellent. You can get professional cleaning like that at a fraction of the original. Only rich people can afford this kind of price. So awesome stuff. Okay, to recap, this is a SeePark Ultrasonic Cleaner, and this is available from Amazon, and I will have a link for you right below with the very best price. But this is just a fantastic item. It's been something I've been wanting for so long to clean my glasses and jewelry, you know, and it's just great features. 50 kilohertz frequency, that's ultra, that's high frequency, which is going to help really clean it at a level that you couldn't clean it with just like a paper towel or something, or a microfiber cloth alone, you know. It has a 350 milliliter cleaning tank, so a big area here, very easy to put glasses and larger items in there, like watches and things, you know. And the fact that it has 2 speed settings, both a 5-minute and a 7-minute, is a huge plus. So if you need to go that extra little mile to the 7-minute for those ultra dirty things, you can, you know. And again, I have to stress, like, this is the safest, best way of cleaning your valuables, you know. And it could be anything from watches to jewelry, you know, to glasses, and even some things like braces and things like that. Dental items might be very acceptable to clean in here as well. Okay, pretty much anything that's not electronics. Okay, things that have open holes with like circuits and like phones, things like that, I wouldn't stick in here, but it's really meant for jewelry, watches, etc. Okay, if you guys have any questions about the SeePark Ultrasonic Cleaner, let me know in the comments below, or shoot me an email to tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I am here to help. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Again, any questions, just let me know. Sorry, my dove is cooing so much in the background. My dove wants to be ultrasonically clean, but I don't think I'm gonna put my bird in there. This is meant for me. This is my ultrasonic cleaner for my jewelry and glasses and such. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. Click the link.